540 nails sharpened to a point, and an angry wife with a sledgehammer. 3, 2, 1. Oh! I feel like you're getting too much pleasure out of that. Okay. Hey there, welcome to Beals Science. You know, sometimes I question my common sense when I get ideas to, do something like, hey, let's build a bed of nails. Problem is, it requires me to lay on a bed of nails. And I'm going to show you how to build one of these. We're going to talk about the science behind smashing a cinder block over your chest, and all the while we're going to hope that I survive. Well, let's build this bed of nails. We're going to start off with what we call pegboard, and I think you should build this to fit your own body. So I laid down on the board and measured it out, and for me that meant 18 inches by 30 inches. Again, if you're going to build one, make it fit your own body. I'm using 2 sheets of plywood. One is 1/4 inch and the other is 1/2 inch. You'll see why when we put this thing together. Look at my happy helper there. Safety first, kiddo. We've got 3.5 inch framing nails. I like these because they have kind of an ominous look, but they are a little bit sharp and they're uneven. We'll fix that in a little bit. And then I'm going to take my first sheet, that's my 1/4 inch sheet of plywood, and I'm going to set it on top of the 1/2 inch. That's so I can get the screws to hold this together and they don't puncture through. Now look how loose the nails are. They're wobbling all over. We can't have that if we're going to lay on this thing. So I need to secure them down, which is what these screws are going to do. Notice the difference. Once this goes down and we make some pressure, watch how stable these nails become. Bam! Well, here we go. My first test on the table. Let's see if this bad boy can hold my weight without puncturing through my back. Here's where I should start to feel it a little bit on the back. Okay, all right. It kind of hurts, just so you know. Obviously the nails on here are sharp. They're designed to be driven into wood. And they're not precision engineered, which means some of them stick up a little bit higher than the others. A way to get around that and help out is a nice flat file. Just run it right down the row. And if the file isn't enough, get out the big guns. Secret step number 2, undershirt. I wonder what that part's connected to. I think that's the acupuncture point for common sense. I feel common sense floating away. Yep. Let's break some stuff right on top of my chest. That sounds like a great idea. I've got it all set up and ready to rock. Just need somebody that's willing to smash me with an 8-pound sledgehammer. Here you go. Down, facing that way. 1, 2, 3.
Oh God!
You did it! Okay. You want to grab that? Never give your wife an 8-pound sledgehammer. Well, how is this possible? How can you lay down on a bed of nails and not get punctured in your back when you're hit with a sledgehammer? We've got a balloon to represent my body, I suppose. With one nail, all the pressure that I'm applying is applied in one small area. And the sharp point of the nail goes in and causes it to pop. But what happens if we spread that same amount of pressure over a larger area? We don't get a pop. Now, if I push down a little harder, it is gonna pop, which means if we put enough pressure on top of me, the nails would go through me like that. But we don't want that to happen in real life.
Dad, you can see your blood spots when you sit down.
You could?
Yeah.
You could see them?
Yeah, so you need to maybe cover it up a little bit.
It's okay. It's not real blood. It's just supposed to be funny. You know, you can call me crazy if you want, but I've been saving these white dress shirts for 5 years just for this occasion. Because I want to take my whole, bed of nails getting crushed. I want to take it one step further and leave a real impression. So let me show you what I'm going to do to my fancy dress shirt. Now, I'm really fortunate. I get to travel all over the place and share the joy of science with people all over the country. And I wanted to be able to take this with me, so I built a little cover with it. I've got some straps that'll go around the top. This bad boy can go right in the mail and meet me at my next destination. 3, 2, 1. Well, so we've learned some valuable lessons. But basically, you can lay on a bed of nails. You can get smashed with a 8-pound sledge and not get hurt that badly, although I don't think I would try it at home. Although I did try it at home. We got lots more going on here at Beals Science. BealsScience.com. Hit the subscribe button. Leave me a comment. But mainly this. Keep on learning. Christy Beals. She's the boss of the family. Hence the hard hat.
Good morning.
And I brought her along with her sledgehammer. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, yes! Oh, you gotta trust the science thing. You gotta trust the science that it's not gonna hurt you. Which is why I've got the fake blood on my back. Everybody had to get up early.